Nearly 500 million miles from our tiny world lies Jupiter, a giant cloud-covered planet bigger than 1,000 Earths. Jupiter's magnetic field, tilted at 10 degrees from its own spin axis, is 10,000 times stronger than that of our own world. Moving out into space from Jupiter, we find a massive donut-shaped structure called the Io Torus, a region of space filled with sulfur and oxygen atoms stripped of their electrons, formed of matter spewed forth by Jupiter's volcanic moon Io. Electromagnetic forces tie the torus to Jupiter's tilted magnetic field. Extending 5 million kilometers from Jupiter is a giant swirling disk of ionized gas called the plasma sheet. More than 100,000 kilometers thick, the plasma sheet is continually fed by matter from the Io Torus and the icy Galilean satellites. Confining the torus and the plasma sheet is Jupiter's huge magnetic field, controlling a volume thousands of times larger than the Sun. Rotating with Jupiter, this giant structure is itself shaped by outside forces. If left undisturbed, Jupiter's magnetic field, like the Earth's, would resemble that of a giant bar magnet. But a supersonic ionized gas from the Sun, the solar wind, catches Jupiter's magnetic field lines and drags them back, away from the Sun. A shock wave is formed upstream from the magnetic field. The region inside the shock is known as Jupiter's Magnetosphere. In 1988, after dropping a probe into Jupiter's atmosphere, NASA's Galileo spacecraft will begin orbiting the giant planet. One of its major tasks will be mapping the magnetosphere. Instruments on board will study Jupiter's magnetic field, its plasma sheet, and the Io Torus. The first leg of the 22-month exploration takes Galileo deep into the magnetosphere. Here, a close-up view in the vicinity of the torus shows a high-energy proton spiraling around Jupiter's magnetic field, bouncing back and forth between Jupiter's north and south magnetic poles. During its mission, the orbiter will study the global structure of Jupiter's magnetosphere, mapping regions unexplored by any previous spacecraft. Jupiter in many ways is more like a star than a planet. Galileo will bring us closer to understanding the stuff that stars are made of.